Most welcome all of you viewers to my MTHL night long drive vlog. By the way, this video has been shoot on the night of 12th Jan, so I am posting it very late. I have already made many videos regarding the work status and information of this project, but today I will take you on a complete night tour of India's longest ceiling. And once again I will give complete information about this project and will also tell interesting fact and will also show its scenes at night. I will share with you how this bridge looks when illuminated at night and what is the experience of driving on it. So watch this video completely from beginning to end. Let's start this lovely long drive. I am starting this journey from the entry point on the side of the road from Uran to Panvel. You all will be surprised to know these amazing facts. Fact number 1. 1,70,000 meter ton of steel bars used in the longest bridge in India MTHL, which is the weight of 70 Eiffel Towers. Fact number 2. Around 35 kilometer pile lingers use, which is the 35 times taller than Burj Khalifa. Fact number 3. 9,75,000 cube metric of concrete used, which is the 6th time in concrete used in the Statue of Liberty. 31.8 km Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link MTHL or Atal Setu by MMRD is an operational 6-lane access controlled sea bridge with a route alignment connecting Sewri in Mumbai with Chirle in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link Atal Setu was inaugurated and opened on 12 January 2024 beyond its August 2023 deadline. Toll rates price were announced on 4th January 2024 with a single trip costing price 250 rupees, return trip costing 375 rupees, a day pass costing 625 rupees and monthly pass costing 12,500 rupees. Atal Setu project has been in the works since 1990s and several attempts have been made to develop it. Project's foundation stone was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in December 2016 and construction work started in April 2018 for 3 civil packages. Completed by L&T and Tata Projects, MTHL be the longest bridge ceiling in India. 85% of the MTHL project's construction is being financed by JICA, which released the first tranche of 7,910 crore, means $1.22 billion in March 2017. I am feeling very happy in the journey of this project because I have also been a part of this project. I used to tour in my bike to visit the work status on both sides of this project. I don't have a drone or a team. I am a one-man army. I covered every part of this project that I could reach with my bike, but I could not shoot the part of the bridge under the sea because it was out of my range. Then I thought that whenever this ceiling opens, I will do a complete tour of it and make a video. And today the day has come when I am traveling it. I am feeling very happy and this journey is very pleasant because today I have my dear ones and friends like my elder brother with me. So the credit for today's journey goes to Mayank Bhai, who is a very good artist and also a very good singer. Mayank Bhai will express this beautiful night and this journey through his songs. Mayank Bhai, please sing a song on this ceiling.
ट्रांस हार्बर का सफर ये मस्ताना बना देगा आप सबको ये दीवाना. ट्रांस हार्बर का सफर ये मस्ताना बना देगा आप सबको ये दीवाना. अरे उड़ले 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 ट्रांस हार्बर उड़ले उड़ले खोखा पाखा उड़ले उड़ले 20 मिनट में मुंबई पहुंचेंगे, सारे ट्रैफिक को पीछे छोड़ेंगे। अरे 20 मिनट में मुंबई पहुंचेंगे, सारे ट्रैफिक को पीछे छोड़ेंगे। दरिया की लहरों पे उड़ के जाना, ट्रांस हार्बर का सफर ये मस्ताना, ट्रांस हार्बर का सफर ये मस्ताना, बना देगा आप सबको ये दीवाना।
Thank you so much, Mang Bhai. You sang a very nice song, and most importantly, you wrote this song very well. Hey guys, if you all like this song, then follow Mang's Bhai ID, Insta ID. You can enjoy more songs.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Let's us talk about the features of this project. So Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link features number 1, the MTHL will features an open road tolling ORT system with the people do not have to slow down and pay the toll tax even will at 100 km per hour. And features number 2, the MTHL will have 6 lanes and is expected to handle around 70,000 vehicles. And third points, with the MTHL time taken from Sewri to Chirle will be reduced to 15 to 20 minutes. And fourth point, cameras based on artificial intelligence AI will be used to monitor the MTHL. And fifth point, in case the breakdown, authorities can tow the wheelers through emergency lane. And sixth point, with the MTHL, the time taken to travel to Pune from Mumbai will reduce by 1.3 hours from the already 3 hours, and the time take to travel to Goa will reduce from 11 hours to 9 hours. The MTHL bridge is also known as Atal Bihari Vajpayee Sewri Nhava Sheva Atal Setu. The cost of the bridge is 17,840 crore. The acronym from the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link is MTHL. It is a 21.8 km long bridge with 6 lanes. 16.5 km bridge is over the sea and the rest is built on land. Interchange are being constructed on Sewri, Shivaji Nagar, Jasai and Chirle on National Highway 4B. National Highway 4B will be connected to the Mumbai Pune Expressway. First to implement an open road tolling system, and Atal Setu is earthquake resistance. India's longest sea bridge, the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link MTHL, has total length of 22 km. Features it is the 10th longest sea bridge in the world. The sea bridge is also known as Sewri Nhava Sheva Trans-Harbour Link. So start the journey from Chirle and now we have reached Sewri, Mumbai in just 20 minutes. This journey was very interesting. You all must also come to travel on this bridge.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and
अटल सेतु का सफर ये मस्ताना कर देगा आप सबको दीवाना। अटल सेतु का सफर ये मस्ताना कर देगा आप सबको ये दीवाना। अरे उड़ले उड़ले यहू, उड़ले यहू, उड़ले उड़ले यहू, अटल सेतु। उड़ले उड़ले यहू, उड़ले यहू, उड़ले उड़ले यहू, अटल सेतु। नियम कायदे से चलना है इस पे, रुकना नहीं है बीच ब्रिज में। नियम कायदे से चलना है इस पे, अरे रुकना नहीं है बीच ब्रिज के। जाते जाते टोल तुम भर जाना, अटल सेतु का सफर ये मस्ताना। टोल बूथ पे तुम टोल भरते जाना, अटल सेतु का सफर ये मस्ताना। अरे अटल अटल सेतु, अटल सेतु, अटल अटल सेतु, अटल सेतु। अरे अटल अटल सेतु, अटल सेतु, अटल अटल सेतु, अटल सेतु।
I hope you all liked this video and please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. See you in the next video with some new information. Bye bye, take care.